Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to make money online by playing games. First step, go to fiverr.com. So some popular games right now, let's go with Fortnite. Now type Fortnite in the search bar. As you can see here, a lot of services people provide. I will be your Fortnite coach. See what other people are doing on here, because this is what I recommend you guys to do. Whatever game you want, just search and see what people are doing. And create the same service and make money easily. Guys, you can see here this guy completes 74 orders. And 5 orders in pending right now. Guys, this method is working very well. If you want to know how to do this, just click on the top of the right side to become a seller. Step 1. You can sign up for free, set up your gig, and offer your work to our global audience. This method is working worldwide. Step 2. Deliver great work. Get notified when you get an order in user system to discuss details with customers. Step 3. You simply get paid. It's on time, every time. Payment is transferred to you upon order completion. That's all guys, this is a very simple method. You can do anything as you want on here. Go to fiverr.com. Search for the game you're interested in. See what other people are doing. Do the same thing. And start getting paid today just to play games. That's all guys, this is a very simple method. You can do anything as you want on here. Go to fiverr.com. Search for the game you're interested in. See what other people are doing. Do the same thing. And start getting paid today just to play games. Now if you want to earn money from YouTube without making a video, check the first link in the description box below. You can earn passive income from YouTube. So click the first link below and watch that video. Thanks a lot for watching, and be sure to like notification to drop for another subscription so you don't miss any new material. As always, I'll see you in the next few videos.